Have you ever wondered what's inside the exclusive Emirates Business Class travel bag? Well, today, I'm about to show you. And trust me, some of these items will surprise you. Stay till the end because I guarantee you won't want to miss a single detail. First things first, everything inside is packed so neatly and beautifully. Emirates doesn't just throw things in, they make sure it feels like a gift you're unwrapping. Bulgari Face Emulsion Luxury Skincare on the go. A little hydration at 40,000 feet? Yes please! This Bulgari Face Emulsion keeps your skin fresh and moisturized throughout the flight. And it smells divine. Bulgari Omnia Perfume smell like first-class elegance. Now this right here, absolute luxury. The Bulgari Omnia perfume has a light, elegant scent that makes you feel refreshed and sophisticated. It's subtle yet powerful, exactly what you need after long hours in the air. Bulgari Lip Balm, hydration and soft lips. Airplane cabins can be very drying, but this Bulgari Lip Balm keeps your lips soft, smooth, and hydrated. Plus it has a light, pleasant scent, perfect for travel. Body lotion. Because soft skin is a must. Flying shouldn't mean sacrificing self-care. This luxurious body lotion ensures your skin stays soft and nourished, no matter how long the journey. Pack of tissues. Small but essential. You never know when you'll need a tissue, right? Whether it's for freshening up or a quick cleanup, this little pack is always handy. Hairbrush and small mirror. Stay camera ready. Long flights can be tiring, but with this compact hairbrush and mirror, you can freshen up anytime and always look your best. Hairband for that extra comfort. Sometimes you just want to tie your hair back and relax, and Emirates has thought of that too. A simple yet thoughtful addition. Earplugs enjoy undisturbed sleep. Need some peace and quiet? These earplugs block out the noise, making it easier to relax or get some sleep during the flight. So, what do you think? Would you love to get this luxurious amenity kit on your next Emirates Business Class flight? Let me know in the comments. And if you love discovering more about premium travel experiences, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I've got more amazing content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.